ROV descending toward the Ghost Arsenal.
The corrosion levels on this beam are critical.
Agreed. The entire section is structurally fragile and failing.
Large contact confirmed. Ghost Arsenal.
Avoid corroded sections.
Control, we have significant hull stress on lines 3 and 4. Heavy sediment plume rising. Confirm the Ghost Arsenal is shifting.
Ghost Arsenal is unstable. Heavy debris shedding confirmed.
Stress fractures propagating rapidly across the mid-hull.
We're exceeding structural limits. Prepare for catastrophic failure.
All lift cables secured. Hull condition extremely fragile.
We're showing severe corrosion on the keel, Commander. The structural integrity is compromised.
We have confirmation. The ship's structure is critically weakened. Proceed with caution. Continuous monitoring indicates rising stress levels across the main deck. Hull movement is erratic. The structure is failing. We're losing the midsection.
It's extremely unstable. Abort the tightening sequence.
All units, aerial extraction is a go. Helicopters are inbound. Repeat, inbound.
Radio confirms slow movement. All systems holding.
Radio check. We have confirmation. Helicopter-assisted lifting of the Ghost Arsenal is now underway. Surface breach confirmed. We have visible hull failure on the Ghost Arsenal. Extraction confirmed. Stable, but the hull remains fragile. We have significant water egress midship. Lowering sequence engaged. Hold steady at 20 meters. Watch your clearance on the port side. Easy now. Confirmed.
Stabilizers fully engaged. We are showing green across the board.
Confirmed. The Ghost Arsenal is secured for restoration.
The readings here are unstable.
Confirmed. The fracture depth exceeds acceptable limits. We need a reinforcement plan immediately. Structural assessment complete. Restoration plan approved.
The corrosion along the keel is severe. Long-term saltwater exposure has compromised the hull.
Confirmed.
We did it. The Ghost Arsenal is officially stable.
I wasn't sure we'd get here, but we did it.
Run the diagnostics, see if the conduits are green.
Systems are nominal, Captain. Power levels stabilizing.
All readings are in the green, Captain.
Excellent. The Ghost Arsenal reports fully stabilized and operational. We are ready for activation.
Bridge, this is Deck 4. We have green on the auxiliary coupling.
Confirmed. Echo 1. Pressure regulators stabilizing at optimal.
Torque is steady on the coupling.
Auxiliary systems showing green.
Hold it right there, easy.
Corrosion sealing on section Gamma is confirmed and ongoing. Acknowledge.
Communication confirms. Long-term protection applied.
Project complete.
Control to discovery and revival. Sea conditions remain stable and controlled for testing.
Structural integrity holding within safe limits. Confirmed.
Maintain tracking on the revival.